All right, so let's head now to Long Island, where James Ford is standing by in Farmingdale.
Yeah, and look, we can see the snow coming down. I know, James, we've been talking about just how much snow Long Island could see, and are we really saying 2 feet?
We are definitely saying 2 feet. We've already been talking about accumulation. I can tell you, it's after 6:30 now. We've been getting accumulation since around 4 o'clock here, and it's quite a bit. In fact, all right, let's give you some sense of what we're talking about here. All right, I got the shovel. We're down to blacktop right now, right? So we're going to check in on that momentarily. Meanwhile, let's talk about conditions that we've got here in Farmingdale. Typically on a Sunday evening around 6:30, between 6:30 and 7, this place is hopping, right? Lots of restaurants, lots of bars, lots of businesses, usually open, usually very difficult to find parking here at this time of the evening on a Sunday. Look at it right now. Yeah, and we're already talking about an inch of accumulation, and as we've been pointing out already, we are just getting started. So at this rate, we could end up, actually at this rate, you could end up with maybe 10 inches, right? But we do know that the rate of snowfall is only going to increase overnight. So this, and there is a lot of snow, as you can see, this is maybe a third of the snowfall volume that we're expecting overnight. And that is why so many people are doing the right thing. Staying home, watching Pix 11, getting the latest updates on the storm in the comfort of their warm home. We encountered a variety of people getting ready for the big stay home outside of some grocery stores, which I will tell you were running out of supplies even 3 or 4 hours ago. Now is the time to stay where you are. Have a listen to more of what they had to say and what the Hempstead town supervisor had to say about conditions. Have a listen.
I'm getting ready just to go home and lock myself up, like everybody should. Stay home, be safe.
Got some healthy snacks in here. Want to encourage health is wealth, right? Want to make sure that we're digesting some great things for our internal parts of our body, enjoying ourselves while we're locked in the house this weekend, or actually extended weekend, right?
Residents should be aware if the winds get high and there's whiteout overnight, we have to start our plow operation tomorrow morning. We're going to play it by ear. Hopefully that doesn't happen, and hopefully we can get out there early evening tonight and go right through while people are sleeping.
And now what the town of Hempstead supervisor was talking about is what we saw out here years ago, more than a decade ago. A lot of cars ended up getting stuck in blizzard conditions and just staying there, just being abandoned there, and that prevented plows from coming through. So that's why they're trying to keep cars off the road. Back here live for a moment, our excellent video journalist, Keith Lopez, is behind the camera. Let's take a look up top, above McGrath's Pub there. That will give you some sense of another factor that we are dealing with coming forward. We've had sustained winds. Look at those flags. Yeah, we've had sustained winds of about 15 to 20 miles an hour, and that is only going to increase, and we're expecting gusts up to 70 miles per hour. Really rough conditions. Before we end, let's take one more look. This is what we dug 2 minutes ago, right? And that's how much snow has accumulated in just that length of time. And we are really just getting started, and the volumes are going to increase all night. This is definitely going to be a very bad, very deep storm. We will stay on it up to the minute as always. Right now, reporting live from Farmingdale, I'm James Ford, Pix 11 News.